Hey YouTube, I've just come off a little road trip. It's pretty much what I do for a living. I travel to places and take pictures of kids. Yes, I get to shoot kids for a living. That's what my 17-year-old son says. While I was out on my drive, it was a pretty long drive. I guess it was about 12 hours both ways. I got thinking about some stuff about driving. I guess it was making me mad because I had people passing me just about the whole time because I was driving speed limit for the most part. You know, really I was driving about 5 miles over speed limit, which is what I usually do. I've gotten a few tickets while doing my job, but I can't afford to get too many tickets because I rely on my ability to drive to do my job. So while driving 4 or 5 miles over the speed limit, I was getting passed most of the time. And so that got me thinking. And I want you guys to follow me on this. And maybe somebody out there that knows something about the law can tell me what's up with this. Here is my logic. If you have a stretch of road where they've got a posted speed limit, but on that place where you have that posted speed limit, you've got people, let's say 51% of the people driving on that road in the absence of a police car are going to be exceeding that speed limit. Then I would think that in a place where we have a government by the people and for the people, that means that we have implied that that speed limit is too low. And therefore, if they've got their enforcers out there enforcing a speed limit that we the people have implied for years that the speed limit is too low, then how can they possibly enforce that on us? Who is the pencil pusher somewhere who gets to decide what the speed limit is without consulting any of us? And even in the place where we say, no, this speed limit's too low, then nothing's done about it. Case in point, any of you who've been through Atlanta on I-75, nobody drives 55 going through Atlanta. Usually 70 plus. And so if 90% of the cars are going 70 plus and the speed limit is posted at 55, how in the world can they enforce on the people in this country? This isn't North Korea where somebody just gets to throw a dart at the dartboard and say, oh, 55 miles an hour, I guess that's what it's going to be. This is America. Barely. And we're losing more and more of it every day. But that's just nonsense. How can I go into court, you know, and they can just say, well, you broke the speed limit that was on a sign. Yeah, who gets to set that sign? And why is it that we the people can't determine that that speed on that sign is too low? And we determine it every day by our actions. There's a lot of law that where something is implied, then the law goes with what's implied. I did take a law course in college. Anyway, you guys tell me what you think. I'd love to hear from a lawyer who can give me a really good sound reason why this isn't an argument. I didn't get a ticket. I'm just tired of having to be so careful. I'm tired of having to drive below the speed that everybody else is driving just because I don't want to get blasted by some meter maid. You guys have a nice day.